adventures. So today we're making a makeup video. So this is the lashes. So first we're using this. It uses to melt your skin to like to take nice things, course. So you put that on your nose, cheeks, and your forehead. Then you stop.
What stuff is that? Can you read it?
No.
Let me see. Body butter?
It's body butter.
From the Body Shop? Mango?
Mango? So what do we have to do with it?
You tell us.
Put it on your head and you're finished. So, and then we just gotta find my blusher. Yes, here's my blusher. Here's my blusher. So I'm gonna like blush that in the face. I wanna keep it really cute. It can stay on if you use the blusher. Then you go it on your nose and your forehead. And smooth it to the side. Set your forehead and then pat it in. Let's take off some. And then we use so this one's gonna be long, right?
Well, we don't have much time left.
So then we're gonna use this. It's called, what does it say, Daddy?
Wet n Wild.
Wet n Wild. So we're gonna like use it to clean in my face. So we're gonna like put it with my little blush thing. Just take it out. Okay. Then we're gonna use this. Pat it in my face. Then for sparkles, we're gonna use this in this little brush. Sparkles all over me. So that's what we're gonna have. So today we're looking like Tiana. So we want to be really good. So first we're gonna use the cliches. So let me just find what we're gonna, the lipstick that we're gonna use. Then let me just look. What's this called? What is it called?
Essence XXL Shine Lip Gloss.
Essence LL Shining
Sorry,
Lipstick.
I'm unable to do that.
Uh-oh. What'd Siri say?
I don't know. Sorry, I'm not. I cannot do that. So we're gonna just use a tiny brush because we want an amount of tiny. So that's why we're using a tiny brush. We don't want to use a big brush. That'll get a lot on us. So yeah, tiny on the bottom, tiny on the top. And then we're gonna put the lid back on.
You look beautiful.
So I'm gonna, then next we're gonna use, what's that?
We gotta end it. We gotta end. We don't have much time left.
Okay.
Say you're done.
I'm done with the rest of the day. Bye guys. I'll see you next year. Next year it's gonna be Belle.
Thank you.
This year was Tiana. So
Okay.
it'll be good.
Say thank you.
Thank you for watching.